Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and I just wanted to show you one thing today. It's a very common thing, I know. Just For this particular website, I'll just go this thing so that you can change the border and borderline, but somehow if you go with the uh, this button, so if you want to see this for a couple of seconds, so I'll just show you the opacity. This is the opacity transition. So let's go with this. Like color will be changing into opacity. So this transition is showing already opacity 3 seconds. Let me show you also which I did for the transaction for subscription. Can you see? This is smoothly changing this subscription button. It is smoothly changing. So you could do with the HTML or JavaScript too. I'm just showing with the HTML. JavaScript, when you do more transitioning parts, so you'll be able to do that. So for the tweet, just go with the tweet and change with the hover uh, syntax or hover variable, you can say. So you just go with the opacity and change it for 0 point, for example, 8. So you can see, if you save it and if you go for this, if you just see, it doesn't show anything, but we more or less change something else. For over transitioning, you gotta go with the background color as well, so that you can change the whole thing. For example, with this one and that one, if you just go here, so it doesn't go again. So density for quick would be more or less 7 seconds. Let's go with the 7 seconds thing. Or let's go with this thing. 7 seconds. Doesn't change even though right now still not changing. Why don't you try with the light blue? Light blue and most probably this. So with some higher core. I change it into this. When you do this, it doesn't show opacity, timing. Opacity timing should has, that's the point. Opacity timing is really important. Go with this. See, it has a little bit of, uh, you just go here. See, little bit of changing, little bit, too tiny. So you go with this one again. Let me show you. Probably this blue. Oh yeah, purple type. Purple is fine. This. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Still not working. Still not working. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know you guys are enjoying with my tone, right? Uh, no, is it 2 seconds is pretty low or 2 seconds is 5 seconds? Go with the 5 seconds thing. See, this one is showing properly. This one is showing most probably too. This one is showing. I didn't work on this. Not even that. This one is not working. It is working. trust me, but it is not visible that it is working. So let me go with the subscribe button. What I'm doing this thing. 1 second I did for the subscribe button. For the Twitter button, let me go with the okay 0.7 seconds. Go with this. Let me go with the flow. Doesn't. Ah, see, the color changes in smoothly. The color doesn't change here smoothly. Let me go with this color. Hmm. No, doesn't change that. Anyway, hover color is aqua. Okay, it has a little bit of tone, little bit, very tiny. It is probably because of the color, and that is the thing. It is because of the color. It is fine because of the color, basically. So I just wanted to show you uh, it always affects for any web applications or even the websites you are working with. So if you are working with Amazon.com also, so it's gonna be working like that way. They need subscriptions, button, and so many other things to be visible like that way. So that's how it is. Thank you so much.